and everything. You should have turned your lights out right there.
They see you.
Oh yeah, they right there. Oh, they got out too. You don't hear them shots? Look, people getting down. Look at that charger. Look at that charger. That look like 55th right there.
Ran through the block.
To them ain't playing. They ain't playing what they owe you.
I ain't playing. Oh, it's turn 2. Wow.
Yeah, you can't control no car like that.
Watch this. Yeah,
Fuck they hear that. Hit through the alley on the head. Turn that motherfucker heavy. Hurry up. Yeah. Oh, look at the train. Look, go down there. That block looks so familiar.
I took off on him.
Yeah, you took off.
Let's see what skills I can do. No.
The controversial re-election of Mayor Rushmore continues. Insiders are saying it was his decision to implement the Smart City Infrastructure Program, known as CTO, campaign. But critics are pointing to the recent disruptions to the network, where bridges move on their own and traffic lights have shut down. Critics say it just proves one more.
Damn. He go what? Go up,
That's a
cut.
homeless man.
Don't put the gun away. Don't kill him. He get him some pussy.
Look at that shit.
Man, you do yourself, man. Oh man, got him a nice little bit. Suck on that neck, bro. Suck all on the neck.
He a homeless man.